First of all, my name is Kang Ji-eun, and I'm honored to meet Your Excellency. Most countries, as well as Korea, deem Britain is a country of gentlemen, and I could rather mix men, which is said to have something to do with cultural background. Could cultural images, which are also considered as stereotypes, help diplomacy?
That's a really interesting question. The question essentially is, can stereotypes help cultural diplomacy? My answer is that I think that a stereotype, if all it is something that encourages people not to think anymore, to assume, for example, that everybody in the United Kingdom is a gentleman. And that cannot be true, because a gentleman is a male person, and it cannot be true that every person in the United Kingdom is a gentleman. But my point is that I think if you don't, if a stereotype means that you don't think beyond that, then I think it's unhelpful. If a stereotype sometimes is useful as a starting point, in fact, sometimes it's useful to start from the stereotype and to think, what else do we know about this country? One could think of other stereotypes, and you could think, okay, that's a starting point, but we actually know much more about this country than that. We know that this country is a very diverse country, that not everybody is like our stereotype, and that also helps in the process of teaching us more about the country, but it also teaches us what we still don't know and what we need to find out. So I think my answer would be, a stereotype is not helpful if that's all you've got. But sometimes it could be a starting point to take you further on the journey of finding out more about the country or community that you're looking at.